Before we start, watch how soft winter clouds slowly come to life. This peaceful technique is easier than you think. First, I wet the paper completely with clean water. Make sure the surface is evenly moist, not dripping. Now, I mix ultramarine blue with a little violet. This cool color creates the base of our winter clouds. I gently add Naples yellow to warm the sky slightly. This gives a soft morning winter glow. Next, I introduce yellow ochre for subtle light in the clouds. Keep your brush light and relaxed. I deepen the lower sky using ultramarine and violet again. If the paint runs, lift it gently with a dry brush. Using yellow ochre, I add soft cloud details. This step is very important for realistic winter clouds. While the paper is about 90% dry, I add stronger colors for contrast and final cloud texture. The paint is dry now, so I re-wet lightly and soften everything with a large wet brush. For the tree background, I use burnt sienna with a touch of yellow ochre to reflect warm light. I add Payne's gray for depth and shadow, then lift paint gently to keep the scene airy. Soft shadows flow down into the winter ground. Use a dry brush to keep it light and natural. I sketch distant trees with diluted Payne's gray. Loose shapes are enough. Details come later. Darker tones are added while the paper is still damp. This creates a soft, misty winter feeling. For the snowy ground, I add light ultramarine. Lift paint with tissue to create snow texture. I deepen the darkest areas to balance the composition. Now comes my favorite part, delicate, bare branches. Use a fine brush and stay relaxed. I paint simple fences to create depth and distance. More branches appear, bringing the winter scene together. For falling snow, I use thick white paint and gently tap the brush for natural snowflakes. final highlights are added where snow catches the light. Thank you for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this winter landscape tutorial, check the description for more videos and join me again. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Happy painting!